Waking up late, rushing to office, going to office, and then having the hectic work there, and at the end of the day coming back and realizing nothing has been done, then switching the apps, watching Netflix and sleep. And after a weekend, you're realizing that you're complaining to yourself that nothing is happening in your life. It has been years that you haven't switched, you haven't got a good promotion. What you are actually doing in your life, this feeling of frustration, this feeling that you're stuck somewhere and you're not doing anything, sounds familiar, right? You're not alone. Let me tell you, I was there at one point of time where I was just passing my day, whole day I was going to office, coming back home, binging Netflix, eating food and sleeping. My health was getting worse, my ideas were ruining, I'm not able to do anything. I was feeling stuck in my mind. And if you are relating to any one of the points here, then let me tell you, you are not alone. Most of the people that I've connected with in one on one calls or maybe on chats, they have almost the same complaints that they are not consistent, they are not able to follow the consistency, and a lot of procrastination. Every time the alarm went on, they are just hitting snooze. Every time they plan to go and hit the gym, but after 3 days, everything is same. They are back to initial position. They're not able to figure out what they want to do with their life, what actually resonates with them, and the whole life is just passing. When you open the Instagram, there are motivational videos coming. When you open YouTube, there are motivational videos coming that, okay, do something with your life. But what? Everybody says that, okay, be consistent, but how? Avoid procrastination, but how? Let me tell you, you will get all those answers here. And not only the answers, you will get the actionable steps which you can implement if you follow this series. Hello, people. I am Neha Gupta and I am an IT career coach. I help IT professionals grow in their careers and break all the hurdles, resistance, and to come out of their comfort zone and grow more. But let me tell you, this series is not only for IT professionals. This series is for everyone who lacks consistency, who who is not able to do the work, who is procrastinating, making the to-do list but not actually implementing them, who are feeling stuck and not able to do anything or figure out anything in their life. So in this series of Plan, Do and Win, you will actually learn how you can stop wondering and actually start implementing things. We're going to learn about various techniques of how you can plan your day, month, your week, and not actually plan it. Plan it in such a way that it actually things actually gets done. We'll learn about Pomodoro technique, how to be an efficient planner. We will going to learn about how our brain works on reward basis system, how to make goals, how do we actually make identity based goals instead of just making plain simple goals and rushing behind them, which is and leaving them after 3 to 4 days. We're going to complete this, and I promise you, if you complete this series, the results will speak in front of you. So don't go anywhere. So if you're ready to stop planning and start implementing, so don't miss what's coming next. Subscribe now our channel to get all those videos popping up in your inbox on the Sundays, and let's make you consistent. Let's get the things done. See you in the next video. Bye.